Hi guys, I'm going to show you how 4 plus 4 can equal to 9. We know 0 equal to 0. And then 16, negative 16 equal to 0 equal then 18, negative 18. Let me write one like this. Sometimes this they don't know that it's 1, they think it's I. Then you see 16 negative 16 equal to 0, and this is the equal 0, 18 negative 18 equal to 0. And then to get 16 you take 4 times, you take 8 times 2. 8 times 2 equal to 16, negative 8 times 2 equal to 16. We are applying this, stand by this, standing with this, then being equal. Then 18 equal to 9 times 2, and then negative. This is 18 in negative, and then bring this equal to 9 times 2. And then, as you see, it's a clear mathematics. Then we have 8 and 8 in a same side. We will write 1 8 bracket. We have 2 negative 2. 2 negative 2 equal to 9. We have 2 9 in one side. We will write 1 9 bracket 2 negative 2. Negative 2, and then you have 2 negative 2 and 2 negative 2 in both sides, and there is equal sign. We have to cancel this, and left with 8 negative 8 equal 9. We know to find 8 equal to 4 plus 4. That means that 4 plus 4 equal 9.